So how do you do that? How do you help somebody become an effective communicator? Well, the whole art is to be able to read people and choose your words well. Now, what does that mean? Choosing words well, that's pretty straightforward, is making sure you're saying what you intend to say. I mean, how many people have fired off an email and then said, oh crap. I actually reread my emails a couple of times before I send it to make sure it can't be misinterpreted. But we all have seen email wars or misunderstandings that are as a result of poor emails or texts. Choosing words well. The other idea, the idea of reading people, who here has heard of the concept of social styles, like DISC or things like that? A couple of folks, yeah. So I'm a big advocate of the social style concept. Mine is, I call mine ACEs, analytical, commander, expressive, and stabilizer. And when you understand that different people like their information in different forms, and they think differently, and they see the world differently, if you deliver the message in the style that best suits them, you get your message delivered more effectively. And so understanding those four styles is really helpful. And even more helpful is learning how to read them in other people. And it can be done. It's not difficult, but it's a little bit of an art. You do it by observing people, how they dress, how they stand, their office surroundings. And you can do it by listening to what they say and how they say it. And we have time for this. One of the examples I like to use for this whole listening exercise is listening or giving stereotypes of voicemail greetings. It's really interesting. When you know what to look for, it begins to jump out. So let's play with this a little bit. Analyticals, just to give you an overview, are, just like it sounds, pretty analytical, fact-oriented, detail-minded. Commanders are very action and goal-oriented. Expressives are just that. They're very expressive and bubbly people. And stabilizers are folks that like to be helpful and keep the boat from rocking. So tell me if you've heard any of these voicemail greetings. This one would be for an analytical. Hi, you've reached the desk of Michael Beck. I'm not here right now. Please leave me a detailed message, including name, phone number, time of day, and the reason for your call, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Right? When you know what to look for, it's kind of interesting. How about this one for a commander? Hi, you've reached the desk of Michael Beck. You know what to do. Beep. Right to the point. Let's get through all this stuff. All right, here's one. Expressives, and I've heard this one too. Hi, you've reached the desk of Michael Beck. I'm not here right now, probably out walking my dog. Leave a message, I'll get back to you sometime. See ya. You know, kind of playful, right? A little upbeat. Here's one for stabilizers, and we've all heard this one as well. Hi, you've reached the desk of Michael Beck. I'm sorry I'm not here right now. Please leave a message of any length that you'd like, and I promise to get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for calling in. Have a great day.
Well, today what we're going to talk about is how to be more strategic in the HR department. And what we need to do is shift our thinking from being a strategic HR professional to one where we're a strategic business professional using HR strategies as tools. Now, it's analogous to the finance department. So the CFO of a finance department is focused on the big picture, and they're focused on strategic initiatives, where the accountants within it in the finance department are focused on the details and on compliance and paying attention to the rules, right? The same goes for HR. We need to rise above the details of HR and focus on strategy, not just HR strategy, but business strategy as well. The way we're going to do that is to shift our thinking and take a look at how executives make decisions, the executives in the other departments. So the CEO, typically what he'll do, he or she will do, is start to identify a problem. And they'll identify a challenge that they need to overcome. Now, the challenge may be something like a market share problem or a quality issue.
Hi, Michael here. I just wanted to thank you for considering me as a presenter for your upcoming event. I know your participants will get great content and great value from my program. Thanks again for considering me, and I look forward to working with you.